I'm going to give you a close-up view of the quality you can expect from this punch needle kit to kind of a starter's kit for some needlepoint projects. I'm buying this for a friend. I think it's going to be great for kids, great for seniors, anybody who wants to get started in this hobby. This is a great way to get started. So I'm really impressed by the instructions that come with this. That's a core to making a successful project here. So it details how you use the equipment that comes with it, which I'll show you in a second. And then just the step-by-step, lots of pictures to go by. And then it does have access to a lot of online video tutorials to be able to help with it too. So I think you're going to be well supported if you're trying to figure out how to get started with this. Then this comprehensive kit includes everything you're going to need. Embroidery hoop, has a needle threader here. It's a little difficult to see, but a little piece of filament with some tag on it to be able to get your thread or your yarn through this punch needle here. Has the hole in it where the thread goes through, and then you're pressing that through, and a handy pair of scissors too. This is a little thicker than average yarn, so I think this helps to make it a little easier, and the colors are certainly really vibrant on this. Whole range of colors, everything you need, and it does say you should have plenty of extra yarn, so you're not going to be feeling like you had to be stingy as you're using it. And then the designs starts out with some ag products here, just in a separate one, but I think the real star of the show is this Highland cow pattern here, super popular right now, super cute as far as the end product with it. And I'm excited to see how this is going to get finished up. I would recommend.